Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Relio Canyanita Jr. from Davao City. Ayan, we're here at ni Malagos Garden Resort. Here we go. And birthday treat ni Angelo, di ba? And kami hi, beautiful. Ate Banji, picture pa siya. And then ayan ang birthday boy. So apat lang kami guys. We're here, no, ang aga-aga ginoo ko. Nag-van lang kami, and of course dyan na mapasok guys. And of course we will tour you. Ang lamig dito kasi paano to siya, papuntang bukid ng part ng Davao, no? So malamig talaga siya. So here we go. Later on makikita nyo ang anong sa loob. Ito sa 700 per head. And then may ticket naman sila na nilibre din ako. So kakain tayo ng breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh my god. And of course, here's the beauty guys. Welcome everyone, dito tayo sa bird show. Amphitheater nila, ang laki. As you can see, bakit ang haggard to guys? Grabe ang init talaga kasi. So ang laki no ng amphitheater nila. So meron din available na mga popcorn doon if you want to buy. Eat while watching. Okay, doon nasa magbayad kami. And of course, while waiting naman sa kasama namin, we will pay first, I think. No. Ayan guys, so here nakapag-retouch na ako, diba? So, diba? Nandito na kami watching guys sa amphitheater for the bird show. Wala pa naman. So, yung kadami-daming nanood, no? So, ang daming tao, oh my god. Ayan, so kulang lang pala ng retouch foundation day yung aking kaoy. So wala pong lipstick yan, pilik mata lang.
Dr. Roberto Bo Franciscina Jr. is a veterinarian with a passion for birds. He used to be a volunteer veterinarian for the Philippine Eagle Foundation.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Ora to, ano pa more? More and more. Ay! Ah! Nakaloka. Ala, cover. Ala. Oh my god. Nakakaloka. Ay! Ay, hala. Oh my god. Hala, very adorable ducks. Hala, oy. Asa na sila? Ay, hala, flag ceremony. Ala! Ay! Oy, wow, very smart. Oh! Oh, ay. Clap your hands, guys. Oh my god. There's more.
You can see our preschoolers, ducks, and pupil siblings have already marched inside their classroom. No, nakita niyo?
Oh my God.
Nag-racing na rin tayo. Always
Yeah.
that our class is about to start.
Yeah, we look.
Charot. My name is Mr. J. I'm actually one of your hosts in this 30-minute nature discovery experience. Now today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn a lot about birds, nature, culture, and hopefully, at the end of the show, a lot about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. I'm happy to see but I'm noticing we have kids in the audience. No, may mga estudyante tayo present today, which is good. But you know what? Hindi lang po sila yung magiging estudyante natin today. Because all of us are going to school together. The standard way of greeting here in Malagos. What do we say? Madayaw. Oh, narinig nyo?
Oh my God.
Sabi niya, madayaw. Kasi that's how we greet here in Malagos. Pero hindi ka nagpakilala sa sarili mo. Kindly introduce first. Your name, what is your name? Donna. Narinig niyo na? Ang pangalan niya? Donald. Medyo slang lang yung bird. Actually, his name is Donald. Okay. Now, many of you might be wondering, how are birds able to talk? When they don't, what they're doing is they're mimicking. And that's very common because in the wild, they do this to create bond with flocks. Okay? At this point, kayo naman yung bumati kay Donald. So can everybody say, good morning, Donald?
Good morning, Donald.
Donald, sabi nila, good morning, Donald. What do we say? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Say, isa pa.
Ay, na-stress na siya. Donut.
Good manners, when someone says a good morning to us, hello, how are you?
Oy!
Narinig niyo yan? Anong tanong niya? Sabi niya, hello, how are you?
Ang talino niya.
Tayo ng ganon,
English,
our answer
parang si
to
Missing
best
Top.
reply would be, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Alright? So at this point, I'm curious to know, do we have birthday celebrants today? Or for the month of May? Meron bang mga nagse-celebrate ng birthday today? Or for the month of Mayo? Baka meron. Kumalit na naman dito? Meron din sa taas daw?
Yes. Our baby.
O diyan sa taas, ay nag-birthday din? Very good. Donald, ang dami mga birthday celebrants. So anong sasabihin natin sa kanila? Sige nga?
Oy, wow! Siya. Oh my God, lovely. Ay, napaisa.
And may many more birthdays and blessings to come. But you know what? Hindi lang po si Donald yung babati sa inyo kasi I have here another bird na si Nigel.
Thank you, Donald.
Kasi may gagawin din daw po siya sa mga birthday celebrants. Ano yung papakita niya sa atin today? Sing and dance.
Ay, sing and dance. Ay, natalo ako. Charot.
Tingnan nga natin. Music please. At? Pakita sagad.
Ay! Oh my God, nag-full dance siya. Charot. Oh my God. Ay. Oh my God. Ah!
Alam niyo na talaga?
Boom.
Tarat-tarat daw. Napaka-talented naman talaga itong si Nigel at saka napakatalino itong si Donald. Let's give them a round of applause, please. So, well, love the Parrot.
Oh my God. I wish I have that kind of parrot, guys. Oh my God. Ala!
Kapitan here is actually a Philippine hawk eagle.
Philippine, ano daw siya?
Not the monkey eating eagle.
Hawk?
Magkaiba po yun sila. Okay? The Philippine eagles po
Oh my
kasi,
God.
their wingspan reaches 7 to 8 feet. Napakalaki. Pero kung pansinin niyo po itong si Kapitan, napakaliit lang. Maikilan yung wingspan niya. Alright? Tapos, sa mga Philippine forest, mga madalas na pagkakamalan po silang Philippine eagle. Why? Because of his facial feature, maybe its color. Kapag kalilipad yan sila, sabi nila Philippine eagle daw. But actually, it's a Philippine hawk eagle.
Ah, it's a Philippine hawk eagle.
So actually, what we eat are meat. Karne. It could be a rabbit, it could be big lizards, it could be snakes, or even fish. O yung mga maliliit na ibon. Yan po yung hinahanap nila in the wild. Tapos, ang tawag natin sa kanila, since they are meat eaters, ay raptors.
Yeah,
Mga
raptor.
raptors po yan sila. Tapos yung kinakain naman po ng mga raptors, ang
Kumain naman po yung
tawag
tagahawak ng eagle. Charot.
ay, remember those? Alright, let's give a round of applause naman kay Kapitan. Ang raptor. Or
Nocturnal.
mga aktibo naman sa gabi. Can you give me an example of a nocturnal raptor? Ang owl, right? So, we have an owl over there.
Ang owl.
Sa window.
Ay! Ay!
Ayan, our Philippine eagle owl. Huh?
Ay! Hello, oy, Brian.
Actually, may yung paglipad, tawag po namin doon
May kumain na siya? Ay, kumain siya?
Characteristic po itong mga owls na very fine set of feathers na pag lumipad yan sila, halos wala tayong marinig. No? That's how effective when they hunt at night. Okay? Itong mga owls. Alright, now I'll bring out another owl para ma-differentiate natin. So I'll call out Noah. Come on, Noah.
Where are you, Noah?
Common grass owl naman. Philippine eagle owl, common grass owl. Compare the two. No, maybe the size, the color, the facial feature, magkaiba. Diba?
Ay, ayan.
Pero
Ay,
they're both
hello.
the family
Ginoog
of
ko.
owls.
May kamukha siya. Charot lang.
Alright? Now, since our topic is still about bird diet, I'd like to share
nakakatawa.
to you kung ano yung favorite nilang kinakain. It's actually rat. Golden.
Ay, rat.
Or daga. Yan yung favorite ko na kinakain ng mga tao. Which I understand, ayaw na ayaw natin mga tao. Right? Because rats bring disease to us people. Itong leptospirosis. Right? Pero itong mga owls, ako napakalaking tulong pala sa ating mga tao. They act as our pest control.
Bingo. Ay! Ay! Ay!
Kung anong klaseng ibon si Bingo.
Ay! Bingo. Oh my God. Sosyal siya. Ay! Sosyal!
May nakakilala ba kay Bingo? It's actually
Para siyang si Super RP. Charot lang. Joke lang. Super RPP. Super RP.
Ang tawag po natin sa kanila ay kalaw. No?
Ay, kalaw.
Ang natin here in the Philippine forest, madalas sila makikita no? Sa mga bulubunduking area. Okay, now, but there is a sad story about hornbills because they are in a state of crisis nowadays.
Ay, ay, ay.
The population is continuously decreasing.
Ay! Hello, uy.
Of deforestation. No, sa harap natin na umunlad yung ating lugar because of developments, because of urbanization, ang daming buildings, subdivisions, nakalimutan natin to that, from one branch to another. So inside the Philippine forest, hindi lang sila madalas up in the trees, but along the branches.
Ay!
Okay? So the next time you visit the Philippine forest, pagka may nakita kayong nagahap sa mga branches, na may pakpak, o baka hindi na yan unggoy, na baka hornbill na po yan siya. Alright? Very good. Now since our topic is still about bird diet, I'd like to show you kung ano naman yung kinakain nila. Okay? Kung kanina, mga meat eaters, so ano naman kaya yung kinakain?
Salamat po, Mr. J. Mabuhay Maria, everyone. My name is Liz and I am very excited to be a part of your nature and culture experience today. By the way, my partner over here is Ruby, and Ruby is a red eclectus parrot. Something very interesting about the eclectus parrot family, no, is for them, the green ones are the boys. So that means, Ruby, the red one over here is? A girl. Very good. Everybody please say hi naman to my partner, Ruby.
Hi,
Ayan,
Robbie.
hello po everyone. Pasensya na po. Naturally,
Ruby
ayaw po
Rodriguez.
talaga itong
Charot.
partner ko. But did you know, Ruby is already 15 years old and is a product of our conservation breeding program. So nag-link na po ulit kanina yung Parish could only mean one thing. Now it's time for our next class. And for our next class, I need volunteers. So kung si very good. Now everybody, are you ready to meet your next teacher bird? Again, everybody, are you ready to meet your next teacher bird?
Ready.
Yes, so everybody help me welcome one of the Malagos bird ambassadors, Rocky! Oops,
Ay! Ay! Oh my God! Si Waki.
One teacher bird over
Alam.
here, everyone. I'm so sorry. Next time, sisiguraduhin po namin mas maraming birds kasi marami palang gusto mag-volunteer. But for those who are standing up, you can now take your seats. Thank you so much for being good sports, everyone. Now over there we have
Oh my God, hi. Hi, Waki. Waki?
Come on up here in the stage para naman magkilala ka ng ating mga students. So where is teacher?
Oh my God, nakuha niyang 100,000. Charot.
He's over there playing around. Nakita mo ba natin ba ng klase ng ibon si Teacher Waki?
Hi, Waki.
It's a crow. Very good. Waki over there.
Oh my God.
Now, diba, crows are often
Ang gwapo ng trainer.
scary birds. But actually, what are you gonna do with the money?
Ay! Ah! Get more, Waki.
Thank you so much raw po, Kuya. Para pa naman for Teacher Waki, everyone. For
Wow.
our financial management class, Teacher Waki will be teaching us ano raw po ba dapat ang gawin sa ating extra money. So Teacher Waki has 3 coin banks over here. 1 coin bank for savings, 1 coin bank for travel, and another one for shopping. Sige nga, Teacher Waki, ano bang dapat gawin pag may extra money? Ayun,
Ay!
sabi ni Teacher Waki, let's save some in the
Shopping.
bank. Mag-shopping raw po konti. And another one for bank for savings, and another one as well. The last one will be for shopping.
Ay, talino ni Teacher Waki, oy.
Teacher Waki, everyone. So Teacher Waki wants to share to you that it is okay to indulge ourselves once in a while. Mag-travel, mag-food trip, mag-shopping. There's really nothing wrong with that. But always remember to save a part of what you earn, because after all, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you save. That's it for Teacher Waki today, everyone. Please say bye, Teacher Waki!
Bye, Teacher Waki.
Bago papasok si classroom si Teacher Waki, anong dapat gawin sa perang nakuha, Teacher Waki? Ayun, ibabalik naman raw po ni Teacher Waki kay Kuya. Thank you so much!
Ay, hala. Ihatag na lang na, uy.
Today, palakpakan naman po for Teacher Waki over there. So, nag-bring na po yung branch namin. 110. Now, our lovely and cute cockatoos, Kaka and Rookie!
Ala, ang cute ng isa. Ay, mag-PE na sila, guys.
Of course, bago sila magba-basketball showdown, mag-warm up raw po muna ang ating mga cockatoos. So, over here we have Rookie. Sige nga, nagagawin ni Rookie for warm up. Si Rookie para raw lesser carbon emission and save sa environment. Palakpakan naman for Rookie, everyone. And
Ay.
over here we have Kaka na ginagawa ni Kaka for warm up.
Ay!
Ayun na, exercise si Kaka para raw may upper arm strength later sa game. So our players are now ready. Nakapag-warm up na po sila. Kami po ni Ruby ang magiging referee. Ano po ba yung ulang natin? We have cheerers. So on this side, I want you to cheer for Rookie. When I say let's cheer for Rookie, you say Rookie! Rookie! Okay po ba? Okay, very good. And on this side, I want you to cheer for Team Kaka. So when I say let's cheer for Kaka, you say Kaka! Kaka! Okay po ba? Sige na, let me hear the cheer for Team Rookie! Ayun, pero medyo kulang pa po konti ng energy. Again, everybody, let me hear the cheer for Team Rookie!
Rock!
Ayan, pero
Wala energy.
for Team Kaka!
Ano kang fancy Kaka?
Our players are ready. Everyone is ready.
Bantog gra.
Play ball! Let's cheer for Team
Ay, Kaka! Ay! Ala, Diyos ko. Kaka! Suray! Ay! Diyos ko, Kaka! Ay! Yan na Kaka! Oh my God, Kaka, napaka-arty mo. Ah, wala na si Rocky.
Ayun
Wala na.
warm up para po si Kaka over here.
Na-stress si Kaka.
Ayun, very good. Let's go, Kaka. Now, Team Kaka, papayag na lang po tayo na walang rematch.
Oh.
Hindi, so magre-rematch na po ang ating mga cockatoos for PE time today.
Diyos ka Lord, kakabilisan mo. Faster, Kaka. Uy, arti kasi Kaka ay. Okay! Ano? Ito anak pa si...
Kaka as well, very good. Thank you so much everyone for being such a good sport. So that's it for Kaka today. Everybody please say bye, Kaka!
Bye, Kaka.
Dahil nanalo na po si Ruth. Ayun, ikot-ikot si Ruki for victory dance. Pero, 2 steps na po yung victory dance niya. Ano, second step, Ruki? Ayun,
Oh.
very good. And of course, bago raw po babalik si Ruki sa classroom, he wants to tell to everyone, bye everyone!
Oy, bye. Wow, hala, uy, ka-cute.
Lord, now actually many are asking us now, how are we able to know kung babae or lalaki po ba ang isang cockatoo? Well, it's actually very simple. Kung pulang iwata, red.
Ay! Ay! Wow, beautiful. Oh my God.
Because are birds with enormous beauty. Tingnan niyo naman si Red, diba? Very colorful and very majestic to look at. Kaya naman, it can be very tempting to bring them home and make them our pets. But it is very important to remember that Macaws has a certain know-how for us to be able to properly take care of them. So better to be responsible pet owners. Take Red here for example. Red has been donated to our doors 15 years ago, and since Red ayun
Ay!
shoot sa basket, palakpakan naman po Red everyone. Tignan niya natin kung makaka-2 out of 2 points si Red today.
Ay, go red.
Ayun, that's 2 out of 2 points for Red for today. Very good. Palakpakan naman for Red everyone. So yung teacher Waki a while ago taught us that it is important to save some of what we earn. Teacher Red over here wants to share to everyone that it is equally important to save some of our resources like food and water, because after all, it's not always empty ng plastic si Red. Sige nga Red, ano yung
Ay,
plastic?
segregate niya. Ay.
Ayun,
Ay, wow.
Plastics are non-biodegradable at di nabubulok. Now over here, may nakita? Brown si Red. Sige nga Red, is that biodegradable or non-biodegradable?
Ay, matalino siya.
Ayun, everyone, according to Teacher Red, ang dahon raw po ay biodegradable o nabubulok. Very good. That's it for Teacher Red today, everyone. Please say bye, Teacher Red!
Bye, Teacher Red. Oh, gutom
Of
na.
course, it is
Ay. Ay. Ang earthquake. Ay! Ay! Daan pa ko? Oh my God! Ala! Ay! Diyos ko, my God! Ay! Ala! Oh my God! Nay, nasaag! Diyos ko, nabili ng manok! Ay! Nabili ng manok! Oh my God! Nabili ng... Ala! Nasa na sila adto? Ka-cute nila, oy.
Mora na tilang papel.
might notice that the local tribal chieftain was praying to the birds for divine intervention. And that's very common because birds are used as biological indicators. As a matter of fact, after calamities such as earthquakes, typhoons, if you happen to see birds flying above us, circling around, well, that's a good indicator that it is now safe to return. So please,
Yes.
look for these kind of signs.
Truth.
In every disaster, we are given the chance to read them, to assess our mistakes and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the pollution.
Ito dyan ko sa manok nagkatawa ay promise. Sa manok ng sapato, may linya sila.
But most importantly, we hope that you would cherish this moment, that you have it with your friends, loved ones who are spending in this very beautiful place that we call the Malagos Garden Resort.
Yeah.
By the way, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines. which we have
Yahoo! Thank you for watching, everyone.
The
Bongga.
final word is going to be Ruki. He's going to say to everyone, bye-bye!
Bye!
Salamat! Pagmayang book!
Yan, done na po ang bird show. So we'll proceed to... Asa nang next? For the buffet, no? To buffet pavilion. So... Ayan, no? So, see you!